Hey Divine One, thanks for joining me for today's Inner Child Oracle card reading. Take a big deep breath with me and ask, is this inner child reading for me? If it is, keep listening. Today we have a very specific message. So breathing into this, just notice what first thoughts and feelings come up as you hear these cards. First, it's interesting. We're starting off with joy reversed, and when joy is reversed, she's saying you are the source of someone else's joy. This can be a positive thing or a negative thing, right? Depending on the person. So you're the source of someone else's joy. Whoever pops into your head right now, cool. And then second, we have abandonment, Tristan. So you might be, because Joyce came first, Tristan is here to say that you have this fear of abandonment within you, but also sometimes it's important to remind yourself that you will never abandon you. So it's not so much about what other people are doing, but making a deep commitment to never abandon yourself at the expense of another. Even if you're their source of joy, if it's causing you hurt or harm, it's important to honor yourself first. And Jordan comes in really just standing behind that, saying it's time to get some inner authority and have a backbone. Pay attention to your truth, what resonates with you, not rebelling from somebody else, not conforming to somebody else, but coming back to your own truth and center, right? Never abandoning yourself at the expense of another. And then ending with Night Este, Source reversed, who's saying, you may have forgotten some of your magic and divinity. You may have forgot what a powerfully cosmic being you are. So as you learn to honor and commit to yourself to never abandon yourself again and have this inner authority, remember your divinity and your magic is from a full cup that we can truly honor and love others. But if we are the source of someone else's light and our own light is being dimmed, it just doesn't work out. So fill yourself. Put yourself first, and then your love will innately overflow to everyone around you. Let me know if this resonates. As always, breathe deep and plan on miracles.